Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Ford Ranger window trim easily. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a mild adhesive remover. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Always work in a well-lit area to ensure clear visibility and safety throughout the entire procedure. Before you begin, it is crucial to prepare the area properly. Start by carefully lowering the window completely into the door. Next, take a moment to inspect the window trim for any visible clips or screws that might be holding it in place. Finally, apply masking tape around the trim's edges to protect your vehicle's paintwork from accidental scratches during removal. Now, let's get to the actual removal. Begin by gently prying up one end of the window trim using your plastic trim removal tool. Work your way along the trim, applying steady, even pressure to release the clips one by one. If any clips are particularly stubborn, you can carefully use a flathead screwdriver, but always protect the surrounding surfaces. After successfully removing the trim, take a moment to clean any adhesive residue from the window frame using a mild remover and a clean cloth. If you plan to reuse the old trim, inspect it for any damage. For reinstallation, simply align the new or old trim's clips with their corresponding slots and press firmly until it snaps securely into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.